Hi, I'm Jim Morris, CTO at T1V, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our instructor and student station ThinkHub system when used in a hybrid or a HyFlex classroom. And so I'm the instructor. Here's my instructor station. I have my laptop up here. I'm showing the presentation that I want to show to the students. And now here's one of the student stations where group 1 is, and you can see there's some students here working. They're using ThinkHub Cloud on their own laptop, and this is also being shared to this display so everyone can see it. Same thing is happening over here where there's another group, and we have a student here working on ThinkHub Cloud, and that's being shared up here. You can see they're moving some things around, moving the canvas. So all this is happening live, for the students to collaborate. Now, myself as the instructor, I can decide that I actually just want to swipe over here and I want to watch what the students are doing. And so then I can see this live up here on my screen. Anything that they're doing on the student stations is shown live up here. You can see them doing some annotations, drawing some things in. Now I can also, at any moment, I can decide, hey, I really like what's going on here on the student station number 2. I'm going to take that and I'm going to send that to everyone in the room. I basically just tap here, tap this one button, and then it'll overtake all of the other student stations in just a second, and it'll show that content here. So now you can see I'm showing group 2 and group 2 on all the student stations. And if the student, for example, even came up here to the screen, you can see there's some video running. If they came up here and they started annotating on this screen, even that annotation is being shown, on the instructor station and on all of the student stations live, so everyone can see that. And then, when I'm done as the instructor, I can give control back to the students by just disconnecting this, and now everyone can go back to their own work and see their own content. So this has been a quick introduction to this capability for the hybrid and HyFlex classroom. For more information, visit our website, T1V.com.